knock the blood cleat door and tell me if you come sign something. Alright.
Brick, brick pam brick, brick pam brick pam brick, brick pam brick, brick pam brick pam brick. When me I use my chopper phone, no chatting a lot. I ramp with my mother food, Spanish town.
Gwaan YouTube, you don't know, it's Shickaa Chung and I'm back at it again with another video. In today's video, I will be unboxing my brand new 2020 MacBook Air. I am so excited. This will be my first MacBook that I've ever owned. I never used to want like a MacBook. My favorite laptops are normally like Acer brands, but I'm like, this year let me try out the MacBook. Let's see how it works out for me. I am taking online classes and I wanted this MacBook for online classes. Unfortunately, the MacBooks were like sold out in like the beginning of like September and like end of August because they were having a promo for like the laptop and to get like some discount plus get free AirPods, which I did do a unboxing video for that, so check it out after this video. But yeah, so it was sold out, so I had to wait a bit. I ordered it and I had to wait it's been like about 2 weeks. I think I've waited for it to come in, so it's finally here. So I am excited. It came like a couple hours ago. I was actually doing a client's hair when it came, and then right after that I had to do my online classes on the other laptop. So I'm finally done, so I can finally get into my MacBook. So I'm gonna unbox it now, so stay tuned. As always, I need my trusty scissors. So this is the box. Blood clean. So if you guys watched my AirPod unboxing video, like I already told you that these people at UPS or whoever, they just leave this shit at the door. Like, bro, honey, I'm not trying to get this stolen. I'm not trying to get my expensive product stolen. Knock the blood cleat door and tell me if you come sign something. Alright, anyways, let's open this up. It hasn't been opened. I was waiting to come on camera to open it, so it's all sealed up. I'm so excited, guys. Okay. Oh, I don't even need to use my scissors. There's a little tab right here with the arrow, so easy, easy, easy. Okay. I hope you guys can see it properly. Yo, my heart just like jumped. Like, it says MacBook Air, so I'm just gonna slide it out. Oh my god, guys. Okay, so here is the MacBook Air. Okay, well, it's not the actual Air, but here's it in its packaging. So I just got a 13-inch MacBook Air. As I said before, it is 2020. Let me just read some of the stuff that it says here. So 13.3-inch Retina LED backlight displayed with True Tone technology, 2560 by 1600 pixels, 1.1 gigahertz dual core Intel Core i3 with 4 MBL3 cache turbo boost up to 3.2 gigahertz, 8 gigabytes of, I don't know what that says, memory, 256 gigabytes, Intel Iris Plus graphics, 2 Thunderbolts, 3 USB-C ports, support for high speed, whatever, headphone jack, stereo speakers. There is Touch ID on this, so I was excited for that. So instead of like signing in regularly, like I can just use my fingerprint. Backlit Magic Keyboard, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, whatever, FaceTime, HD camera, pre-installed Mac OS, and all type of other stuff. That was a mouthful, but yes, guys. So I am gonna get into this. Oh my god. Okay, let me just give you guys a better view. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna unbox it. I don't know if the view looks okay. It seems okay. Excuse like all these extra stuff. This is like my workspace where I do hair and stuff. Anyways, all right, so there is an easy pull tab for easy opening. So I'm just gonna do that. Ooh, makes life easier. Put in the garbage. All right, slide it up. Oh, it's not coming up. Oh, it's coming up. And there she is. Ooh, and I got it in the color Space Gray. Oh, she's so slim. That is the MacBook Air. I will get into this later. Let me get into the box. I'm so excited, guys. Oh my god. So it comes with the charger. Ooh. Charger. Designed by Apple. They better give me some Apple stickers now. My AirPods, they never gave me any. Let me see if they give me none. Oh. Although I don't really have anything to do with Apple stickers. Yes, man, I get my Apple stickers in the same space gray color. And this is just a bunch of, like, you know, welcome to your MacBook Air. You know, the little information. It shows you how to do stuff. It talks about keyboard and rate and all of that boring stuff, but very vital information for somebody who doesn't know how to, you know. Is that it? Oh. I guess that's it for that. So underneath that is the power brick, the charging brick. Yep. So these and this goes together. All right, nice. Let me just put that back right in here. Now, let's get into her. All right, guys. Ooh. So, there's a little pull tab, like I said. It's so thin, like I'm not used to having something so thin. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know what I'm doing. I feel nervous. Ooh. I think you guys can see the color even better. Yes, space gray color. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of turn the laptop to you guys so you guys can see what I'm dealing with. Is this the back? What am I doing? All right, this is the front. So I'm just gonna open it. Ooh. Ooh, it turned on. Just remove this. It's turning on, guys.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay. Return, because English is my language. So I'm just gonna set up my country. So I am in Canada. Let me just connect to my Wi-Fi. It is loading, it is loading. It's just talking about data privacy and all of that fun stuff. You won't see this with every app, every feature since Apple collects this information. Okay, whatever. Continue. Transfer information to this map. I won't do that yet. Let me sign in with my iCloud. Signing in. So the terms and conditions I have read. You damn well know we never read it, but. Zero. I'm gonna create my computer account. My name, Shickaa Chung. It's setting up my iCloud. So it says activate find my, so you know how they have like find my iPhone? I guess it's like find my Mac, whatever. Continue, express sign up. Hey Siri. Oh, I thought I was supposed to say it now. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. So now it's telling me that I'm gonna set up my Touch ID. So I'm just doing it. I can use it to pay. Oh my god, that's gonna be like crazy for my online shopping. Put position card. Nah, I'll do this later. They're ready for me to start shopping, and I ain't doing that. Choose your look, dark, baby. Yes, I'll set it like that. So it's setting up computers are always like annoying. And there is my screen. Look, guys. So that's how the keyboard look. I didn't show you guys really a good look at the keyboard. And that is my display. So excited to use her. Oh my god. Yes. Yes, guys, so that was it. When you're trying to take a picture for your thumbnail. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing. If you have not before, check out my Apple AirPods unboxing, which I got for free. So check out that video. Check out all my other videos on my channel. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share it with mother, father, sister, brother, everybody. And stay tuned for the next video. Yeah, later.